Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Stay informed with the economic calendar for the next few days, which includes a blend of high, medium, and low-impact events. Each data release will contribute uniquely to the market outlook, helping shape investment strategies and market reactions. The impact of these releases could be far-reaching, affecting a wide range of financial instruments. Staying aware of the upcoming data can be key to timely and strategic decision-making.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Stocks in Europe edged up, while the dollar held steady, as investor confidence in a Federal Reserve rate cut next month kept sentiment upbeat, which also helped keep Bitcoin above its recent lows. US spot Solana exchange-traded funds broke their flawless inflow streak on Wednesday, recording $8.1 million in net outflows. A single ETF product largely drove the pullback, the 21 shares Solana ETF, which experienced over $34 million in outflows. The US dollar headed for its steepest weekly drop in 4 months, as investors bet on further monetary easing, amid pressure from President Donald Trump to cut rates.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.1% in the last session after a 1.5% intra-session dip. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. After a 1.4% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed with a 1.0% gain. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.